I'm fine, thank you.
Your hood is seen from far away, and everybody know what is you.
Yeah, I enjoy wearing it.
I want to put it on. I will look like what you. Can I take your hood?
No, you might not. It's a present from my granny for my birthday.
Red Cape, where are you?
I'm here, Mommy.
Today is your grandmother's birthday. Take the cake, the apples, the sweets, and a jar of honey to her.
So delicious and so tender.
This is Kstaby. She learned how to bake them from an elder woman. She is Tatar and used to always bake Tatar dishes. They're so delicious.
Yes, there were plenty. Ushpishmak, belish, berengi peremeşe. Oh, it was a long time ago. Everyone wants to live long, but no one wants to grow old.
Oh, Mommy, you forgot to tell about Chick Shack.
Yes, it's a dessert like borsa, kush tulutal, kush kalawe.
It sounds so funny. Check.
It does, but it's so delicious. It is based on flour, honey, and a quality butter. Okay, enough talking. It's time to go to Granny dear.
Okay, Mommy.
Here the basket. Go across the field. The road is better there.
Okay, Mommy.
Oh, just a moment. Here's the apple for the road. An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Okay, Mommy. Goodbye.
Goodbye, darling.
Yesterday we played a new game, Yüzük Savaşı, a ring game. One person drops the ring into the other player's hands, and others try to catch the ring keeper. The loser gets a funny punishment. Let's go play.
Oh, I would love to, but I must get this basket to my granny.
Take the short way through the forest.
But my mom told me to go across the field.
In the forest, you will even pick the flowers for your grandma.
Okay, great idea. It's a deal. Let's go play.
Get you? No. Make us solve a quiz.
Little Nancy Ittycoat, with a white petticoat and a red nose, she has no feet or hands. With longer she stands, with shorter she grows.
Oh, I know. It's Candle.
Yes.
Why don't you bark like a dog?
What?
Okay.
This is the cock that crowed in the morn, that waked is a priest all shaven and shorn, that married is a man all tattered and torn, that kissed is a maiden all forlorn, that milked the cow with a crumbled horn, that tossed the dog, that worried the cat, that killed the rat, that ate the milk, that lay in the house that Jack built.
That lay in the house that Jack built. Hello, Red Cape. How are you?
Hello, Mr. Wolf. I'm fine, thank you.
You're so good at reading poems, and I'm so illiterate and uneducated. Teach me, please.
Oh, yeah, of course I will teach you, but solve the quiz first. As I was walking in the field of wheat, I picked up something good to eat. Neither fish, flesh, fall, nor bone. I kept it till it ran alone.
I don't know the answer, but the foot will have never ran away from me. Take it easy, I'm just kidding.
Oh, so the answer is the egg and the chicken. So the poems are for the next time.
Where are you going so early?
I'm gonna to visit my granny. It's her birthday today.
Where does your granny live?
She lives in the wood, across the field. There are the windmill, and it's not so far from there.
Oh, well, goodbye, Red Cape. I'm up to something too.
Okay, Mr. Wolf, goodbye.
Goodbye.
What a beautiful flower! And you're so beautiful too.
Little girl, where do you go?
I go to see my granny. I love and miss her so much.
What do you bring her?
I bring her a milk in a can and delicious kastubay. Thanks for your beautiful dance. It's just I have to go.
Nice to meet you, Red Cape. We are going to tent.
Goodbye.
17, 18. Wait, I forgot. Do I need 12 or 20 drops?
The wolf came back to the forest. He's been seen.
I've seen the hunters going to the forest.
Yes, right. My dad and my brother went to help them.
Guys, Red Cape went to her grandmom's through the forest.
Yes, we should go find Red Cape. Let's go to the forest.
We must stay together.
Yes.
Yes.
It's nothing. Hunting we will go. Hunting we will go. We will catch a fox and put in a box and never let it go.
Who's there? Come in, my little angel.
Who is there?
It's me, Granny, your granddaughter, the Red Cape. I came to bring you a basket full of delights.
Come in, my little angel. Push the door.
Happy birthday, my lovely Granny.
Thank you, dear.
Oh, Granny, your voice sounds so odd. What's the matter?
Oh, I'm just cold.
Oh, Granny, what big ears you have.
All the better to hear you with.
Oh, Granny, what big eyes you have.
All the better to see you with.
Oh, Granny, what big teeth you have.
All the better to...
No, stop! I recognized you. We are friends. And we have a different fairy tale. Did you eat my granny?
Of course not. I've swallowed her.
I knew it. You're good. So, give my granny back and I will help you to make peace with everybody.
Okay, it's a deal.
We have Tata traditional food today. This is shpishmak. It has 3 corners. It's made of meat, potato, and dough.
It's a mini gubadia pie. Not every housewife is able to make such a good gubadia pies. It's a layered pie made of rice, dough, eggs, sultanas, and red cottage cheese. They're so delicious.
Look, it's kostyle. It has no potatoes nor meat in it.
Let's have some tea. It's 5 o'clock, so we will drink classic English tea.
It's so delicious. I wish I knew about Tata food before. And now I have so many friends. And now, when I'm with you, I'm not bored anymore. I've been living all alone before. And now I learn poems with you.
Begin sleep up on a güzel. Babalarda ana gelip bundalar. Yüzdek işin dertleşirler susalar. Babalarda ana gelip bundalar. Yüzdek işin dertleşirler susalar. Tufajirde olsun güller biziler. Motorluklu sırlı dilde zilliler. Elimizde şu sırlarını aşası. Bir motor olsun güller bakşası. Elimizde şu sırlarını aşası. Bir motor olsun güller bakşası.
And that's the story's end. Applause, please. Don't spare your hands.